Hello friends, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is MCQs on illumination, unit number 1 in utilization of electrical energy. So, the explanation of this unit is available on this channel. So, see this, and these MCQs are important for the SSC JEE exam. Also, this our class exam. So, now we start. So, here see. First is luminous flux received by a surface per unit area. Luminous flux received by a surface per unit area is what? It is the illumination or luminous intensity, luminous flux, or none of the above. So it is the illumination. Means illumination is defined as luminous flux received by a surface per unit area, and illumination is represented by E. So this question is asked in SSC JEE exam. So it is very important. Then second is radiant energy from hot body which produces the visual sensation upon the human eye. Means heat, light, temperature, all. So the answer is light. Means light is defined as radiant energy from hot body which produces the visual sensation upon the human eye. So our answer is 2, light. Then third is ratio of illumination when everything is clean to the illumination under normal working condition. So it is called as depreciation factor. Depreciation factor is defined as ratio of illumination when everything is clean to the illumination under normal working condition. It is called as depreciation factor. And uh, when illumination under normal working condition to the illumination when everything is clean, it is the definition of maintenance factor. We see in this. So next is mean of candle power in all plane from the source of light. Mean of candle power in all plane from the source of light. When the word in all plane, then our answer is mean spherical candle power. Means mean of candle power in all plane, then our answer is mean spherical candle power. So our answer is option 1. Then next is it is angle which is subtended at point and is enclosed by two straight line. मीन्स एक ऐसा एंगल जो कि सबटेंड होता है एट पॉइंट एंड इज एनक्लोज होता है टू स्ट्रेट लाइन, देन दिस एंगल इज कॉल्ड एज प्लेन एंगल. व्हेन द वर्ड एनक्लोज बाय टू स्ट्रेट लाइन, आवर आंसर इज प्लेन एंगल. So it is angle which is subtended at point and is enclosed by two straight line. Our answer is plane angle. Then next we see ratio of mean spherical candle power to the mean horizontal power. मीन्स ये क्या है, रेशियो है मीन स्पेरिकल कैंडल पावर का और मीन हॉरिजॉन्टल पावर. सो आवर आंसर इज रिडक्शन फैक्टर. Reduction factor is defined as the ratio of mean spherical candle power to the mean horizontal power. Then next is 7th, ratio of luminous flux to the power input. So lamp efficiency, our answer is lamp efficiency. Means ratio of luminous flux to the power input, it is called as lamp efficiency, or lamp efficiency is defined as the ratio of luminous flux to the power input. Then next is power input to the spatial candle power. Power input to the spatial candle power is means specific consumption. Our answer is 4. Specific consumption is defined as the power input to the spatial candle power. Then next is question number 9. Brightness within the field of vision of such a character caused to interference called as glare. This is very important. Brightness within the field of vision of such a character caused to interference called as glare. This is the definition of glare. Then next is ratio of total lumens reaching of working plane to the total lumens given out by the plane. Means ये किसका रेशियो, ल्यूमेंस रीचिंग ऑफ द वर्किंग प्लेन टू द ल्यूमेंस टू द टोटल ल्यूमेंस गिवन आउट बाय द लैम्प. So this is the definition of utilization factor, and this utilization factor is very important. So Utilization factor is defined as ratio of total lumens reaching of working plane to the total lumens given out by the lamp. When the word total lumen or reaching, then our answer is utilization factor in always. Then next is ratio of lumens under normal working condition to the lumens when everything is clean. This is called as maintenance factor. It is the vice versa of the depreciation factor. Means depreciation factor is called as ratio of lumen when everything is clean to the lumen under normal working condition is called as depreciation factor, and the ratio of lumen under normal working condition to the lumen when everything is clean, it is called as maintenance factor. So this is very very important. Then next is, it is discharge lamp. Which lamp is a discharge lamp? Fluorescent tube, incandescent lamp, metal halide lamp, or mercury vapor lamp? So the our answer is fluorescent tube is a discharge lamp. Then 13 is that it is airtight glass chamber. Incandescent lamp, fluorescent tube, mercury vapor lamp. Which is airtight glass chamber? Incandescent lamp is airtight glass chamber. Then next is, to prevent excessive brightness, which type of lightning scheme is used? Means for to prevent excessive brightness, which type of lightning scheme is used? So their answer is indirect. This question is asked in SSC JE in 2018. So it is very very important question. It is very very important. Means to prevent excessive brightness, which type of lightning scheme is used? So our answer is indirect. Then next is, a semi-indirect lightning scheme is used for which purpose? Semi-indirect lightning scheme means lightning scheme four types. First is direct lightning, indirect lightning, semi-direct, and semi-indirect. There are four types of uh, light scheme. So semi-indirect lightning scheme is used for which purpose? So our answer is decoration purpose. Means semi-indirect lightning is used for the decoration purpose. Then next is question number 16. The efficiency of direct lightning scheme is. So the efficiency of direct lightning scheme is 80 to 90%. Then which of the following discharge lamp gives the highest lumen per watt? Means discharge lamp gives the highest lumen per watt. Which lamp gives the highest lumen per watt? So the sodium vapor lamp, which gives the highest lumen per watt. Then next is dot dot. Lamp is also known as quick start or instant start fluorescent tube. Sodium vapor lamp, startless fluorescent lamp, mercury vapor lamp, neon lamp. So our answer is 2, fluorescent lamp means startless fluorescent lamp. Then पावर फैक्टर इज हाईएस्ट इन केस ऑफ. पावर फैक्टर हाईएस्ट किस में होता है? मर्क्यूरी आर्क लैम्प, सोडियम वेपर लैम्प, ट्यूबलाइट और GLS. सो द आवर आंसर इज GLS. पावर फैक्टर इज हाईएस्ट इन केस ऑफ GLS. Then next question is, determine the power factor of 220 volt 0.4 ampere 20 watt fluorescent lamp. So determine the power factor. So how we determine the power factor? So the formula is that P is equals to VI cos phi. VI cos phi. So P is 20 watt, V is 220 volt and I is 0.4. So we calculate the cos phi. So cos phi is equals to power upon voltage into current. So 220 watt divided by 220 volt multiplied by 0.4. So our answer is 0.228. So the option number 1 is correct. Our answer is 0.228. So now in the next video we see the some MCQs based on numerical. So today thank you. I hope you like this video.